There is no better way to truly experience the Southwest than on an overnight raft trip. Cataract Canyon is rated as one of the best rafting trips in America. You'll travel 100 miles through Canyonlands National Park, where picture-perfect vistas are everywhere. The whitewater in Cataract Canyon rivals the big water of the Grand Canyon. When you're out here, the right camping gear is essential, and Western provides almost everything you'll need. From water-resistant bags to comfortable cots, sleeping bags and sheets, even roomy tents. But you can relax while your guides do all the cooking.
I can't believe we're having this kind of dining on the river. I mean, it's unbelievable.
I mean, full meals, 3 full meals every day, snacks, and good stuff. Stuff that you might not even fix yourself at home.
Western also features a multi-day rafting trip on the Green River through Desolation Canyon. Ride some 60 fun-filled rapids in an oar boat, or take a turn challenging the waves in an inflatable kayak. Hike to old hideouts and homesteads and discover ancient Fremont Indian writings. And each night, you'll relax to the calming sounds of the river.
Awesome. It's sensational. I've never seen anything like it.
Most beautiful thing I've seen in 40 years.
I'm really not a camper at heart, but I think I could become one doing this.
Like, I made so many new friends here. Like, all the guides are just great.
They're good boatmen and good cooks.
5-star service all the way around, great rapids, great company, great food. These guys really take care of us.
The scenery is amazing. I mean, I've never seen something like this coming from back east. This is like heaven.
It was the dream of a lifetime, really.
It was the best vacation of my life.
This outfit was the best one to go with. I have just absolutely had a ball.
It's been an awesome trip. Great time with friends, and I'd come back in the New York minute.
No matter what adventure you choose, a vacation with Western River Expeditions is sure to enliven the soul and renew your spirit of adventure. So, reserve your trip and see why some of the most incredible rafting vacations in the world are with Western River Expeditions.